Today we have this 1976 Smith-Corona Galaxie 12 vintage portable typewriter. I'll show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Margins are right here, and you just push them down and move them like that on each side. It's got a paper tray that flips up like that. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double or triple, you just flip that switch back. And that's double, that's triple, works good. And as you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. Switch from black to red. You just flip this switch down to the red icon there. It'll start hitting the bottom portion of the ribbon. Very nice typing machine. One of my favorites for daily typing. It just has a good feel, it's quick, and the print's really nice. Made in America. And it will last forever if you take care of it. Made from all really high quality parts back then. If they made this typewriter today, the engineering and the manufacturing would probably make this cost around $1,200 brand new. And the typewriters that you buy brand new can't be made this good anymore economically, so they're made out of cheap parts from China, and they break and they jam up. So if you want something reliable, you got to go with these vintage typewriters. To pull the paper out easy, you flip this switch towards you and it pulls right out. Make sure you flip it back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Got a backspace on the left side here, works good. It's got a power space on this model, which is unique. They usually don't have a power space, but that doesn't. It just power spaces like that. Depending on how you hit it. Works good. This is another unique function for this typewriter. It's the arrow is pointing downward, and what that does is if you have a key stuck up like that and you hit that, it'll clear that key down and it'll push it down, and that works good. This is your touch control, low, medium, and high. This loads a spring that builds tension when you hit the keys. So when you have it up high, you just have to hit the keys faster, or you have to hit them harder, but they're faster when you type. This is your tab function. So you hit that and it'll stop at any tabs that are set. Right now there's none set, and we're gonna hit this set button right to the left of that, and it will stop at that spot that you set. To clear it, you hit the clear button, and now we don't have any. You can set as many tabs as you want on this model. And open the hood. Got the spools. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so we're pulling to the right. And there's a switch to change the direction right here. And if you flip that down, it'll pull to the right. It'll pull to the left. You switch it up, it'll pull to the right, and that's where we want it. This is your locking mechanism. Right here where my thumb is. So if you hold that down and put it, when you put it in a case, the way the case closes on it, it will lock the carriage so it doesn't move and doesn't break anything with the carriage when you have it in the carrying case. To clear it, you just pull it out like that. This is your carriage release lever, and that allows you to control the carriage freely. Push that down. You got one on this side too. Works good. And this lever right here, when you push it down, it deactivates the spacing mechanism on your platen. And you push it up, and you got clicks, and each click is a space. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.